What up, gang? It's Rob Level from Smart Rapper, and I want to thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to show you a video in a live call that happened in the Rapper Shortcut where artists were asking me questions that I feel is vital for you guys in 2021. I was going through these videos and I was editing them so that the new people who are about to take the Rapper Shortcut have access to the best information. But when I came across this, I'm like, man, I have to show people this because this will change their entire 2021. It's really going to help you defeat and overcome that obstacle. So let's just get right into it. I think you're going to love this because I watched it and I was inspired, and I'm the one who said this stuff. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. Let's get into it.
Waiting for that shit, it sucks.
Yeah, because if there's one kink, think about it. If there's a hose, you have a long ass hose, you have a 10-foot hose, pumping water out. If there's one kink in the hose, it does not flow properly. And if you don't know anything, there's 20 kinks in that hose. And if you know 19 out of 20 of things, there's still that one kink in the fucking hose at the end. That could be the mixing. That could be you don't have the video. That could be you're missing the budget for one specific piece you need. That could be that it doesn't have this. That could be that, you know what I'm saying? Like, all that shit has to be worked out. And people don't realize, that's why it takes so much. Everybody wants to be an artist, but they don't, it's just so hard to do it, man. It's fucking hard. You have to balance your mind. You have to balance your body to have the energy. You have to balance your time. You have to balance your finances and your life and work the job, but then get off the job and work. And then you know how to do this and this and this. And you have to do all of it. And people are just like, why haven't I blown up yet? It's because you don't understand a 50th of what this takes, man. They see other people blow up. They see somebody like Mac Miller get signed at 15 years old. They see somebody like, people getting signed at 17, 18. They see Lil Tecca, who, accidentally has a melodic style, even though he has braces on him. Still, he looks like he's 14 years old. You accidentally have that style, and somebody said, oh, we can make money from this, right? And that person got pulled in. You're not that fucking, that is a fucking stars aligning accident that happened for that person. And people see those people and they think, well, if he could do it, I can do it. But then they don't think, if he could, what does it take to do that? They just think, oh, if this motherfucker did it, I can do it. And then they don't think any further than that.
That's 100% fact.
Yeah, I'll admit that was my thinking when I first started. And then I found out more by watching your videos.
Yeah, right. Because
it's just crazy.
Right, you would think that too. You go, oh my God, this guy made it?
Yeah, when he popped up, I was like, bro, if he can make it, I can make it.
So it's like there's information there because artists just blow up, especially you're talking about a 20-year-old rapper, 21-year-old rapper. They don't really know anything. They really don't. They just know they're making music and somebody else is doing all the work. The manager's the one connecting the dots. They're just going in the studio making music. They don't know the 15 other hats that you have to wear. They don't know how to mix their own fucking music. They don't know how to make fucking beats. They don't know how to shoot their own music videos. They don't know how to market their music. The label does that. You know what I'm saying? But the benefit of knowing all this information, like I always tell you, is once you get to that point where you're going to be able to hand it off, you'll be able to train the person, or you'll know if people know what the fuck they're talking about because you know. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can see clearly you don't know what the fuck you're doing because I'm better than you at your job, and it's not my fucking job. That's why I fired so many cameramen last year. How do I edit videos 3 times faster than you? How? It's your your only job. I have 10 other jobs, and I can do better than you. That's fucking stupid. Get better. It's just you learn how to do all this shit for yourself, which is the point, because then you are self-sufficient. Even last year, who's gonna mix the song? I wanted to be better. I need who's gonna mix them. You know what I'm saying? And then I wouldn't release a song because it's not. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna put it off. You learn how to do all this shit for yourself, which is the point, because then you are self-sufficient.
All right, I hope you liked the video. I think if you made it this far, you probably did. Just so you know, if you want to check out the Rapper Shortcut, it's actually out again now. It took an entire year to come back. It's double the master classes. And as you can see, I'm in here helping artists. My team's in here helping artists. I truly care, and if this stuff doesn't show you that, you crazy. You're crazy. Crazy as I am to make something that's worth $110,000, only $27 to start, okay? So hit me with a like, hit me to subscribe, and I'm gonna give you the entire Rapper Shortcut, updated, upgraded, full out blueprints. Gonna show you everything that you need to do, step-by-step order, every single week, every single month. 100% free. Go ahead and click that below, and as soon as you check that out, it'll actually show you the Rapper Shortcut. But remember, we only have so many slots available, so if you wanna get your hands on it, you need to hurry up, go get it. Either way, you can get the blueprint 100% free. So link's gonna be below, go check it out. I mean, this video inspired me, so I just hope it inspires you in some way, shape, or form. 2021 is our year, all right? All you can do is put the hustling, so keep hustling. And I'll see you at the top. That's lead this shit, let's go.
Level. Ooh, I would've thought by now that I'd be way past these days. By now that my top be down on my brand new black Mercedes. Thought I would've made it by now. 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 Working 9 to 5, saving to survive. Pay the bills and put a little to the side.